Hello students, in this lesson you will learn how to repair different not charging complaints. The first fault, plugged in not charging. In this fault, the charging indication will be there, but the laptop will not charge. The percentage of the charging indication remains 0. First of all, replace the battery and adapter. If it is not rectified, follow the procedure. Change the 19 volt MOSFETs one by one. First change these MOSFETs and check. Then change the second MOSFETs, then check. If it is not rectified, change the charging IC or the MOSFETs associated with it. The second fault, wrong adapter message. Even after we use the original charger, some laptops, especially Dell laptops, will show the warning messages that the wrong adapter is plugged in. Try to replace the adapter and check the condition. If it is not rectified, change the 19 volt MOSFETs. Change one by one and check if it is rectified. The third fault is battery fully charges. Auto switch off when removing adapter. Replace the battery and check the condition. If it is not rectified, check the discharging MOSFET for fault. The discharging MOSFET should be in on mode when we remove the adapter. Check the gate voltage. If the 2.5 volt is present, then replace the discharging MOSFET.